What's the goal today?
Doubles, baby.
Doubles, Phil.
Doubles.
He's back full, maybe.
I'm gonna learn how to swim.
Okay. What about you?
Backflip.
Oh.
And no, on a serious note, a front flip.
Yeah, we heard that before.
Yeah.
One. Oh! One. I'm kidding. One. Oh, no way.
Not yet.
Hey, bro.
I always forget.
Can we get a recap on today?
So this is essentially what happened. Today was supposed to be Tony's last send, and it went splendidly until it didn't. We lost another GoPro. This is Phil's fourth.
Okay.
That's Phil. Everyone ate shit. Flopped on a flip. Look, here we are.
You know, gnarly little.
But did we get sending?
Boo-boo.
Kinda. And we just have to come back as soon as Tony's healed so that we can fucking send it again and properly.
And the ball joint